Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now, if you open the camera app on your smartphone and if you capture a photo and if you want to disable the camera shutter sound on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now just tap on volume. Now from here just disable system sound. And once you've done that, now if you go to your home screen and open the camera app, as you can see, we have successfully disabled the camera shutter sound on our smartphone. And this is how you can turn off camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.